Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, the aunt of Russian Barnett, who is of course the mother of Kemisha Wright and the grandmother of our 4 young children who were brutally slain by Russian Barnett, is understandably upset, saying that even if the death penalty was off the books, the amount of years given, seeing the nature of the crime, it seems as if Russian Barnett got away with murder. May I couldn't hear what I want to contain the reasoning. Look at this.
Uncomfortable. No, that is not right. You take 5 lives and you still want to live? No. Well, I am saying to the judge, all I can say,
do the right thing.
Do the right thing in the sight of God and man. Know that I want justice for my daughter and my grandchildren. I know the judge is supposed to have children, get children, and he wouldn't like to know that someone brutally murder his children then in cold-blooded and go scot-free. No, he wouldn't like that. So I am telling and asking him kindly in the name of Jesus Christ to give that boy what he deserves.
Do you want the DPP 60 years? 9 months?
Well, if he get that, that would be, he would believe, but I would look, I thought they were giving him 125 years for the 5 of them that he killed, 25 each a year for them. It's 5 kids. So he should get 25 years each for one of them. So it was 125 years I am expecting him to get. With no parole. Yes, because he deserved to get what he did. He's supposed to stand up for what he did. Yes.
Safe travel.
Thank you. Yeah, God bless you. Because the 24th is my birthday.
24th of October?
Yeah.
Because her birthday was September
13, I cried whole day. I cried whole day. When I get up in the morning, I said I can even call my daughter and say happy birthday, my daughter. You understand? I cried whole day. All day I am crying. And they look at my eyes them red. They said, what's wrong with you? I said I was crying. Because today is my daughter's birthday. And I have no one to call and tell her happy birthday. Or me and she gone to Maypen, gone buy something. You understand? So it's been painful for me all along. From this thing happened, from this murderer kill my daughter and my grandchildren. I don't know myself. I am not here. I am my shop up here and I hardly had my shop. Because every time I sit down, it's them I see running come to me, my grandchildren, they mama, school open. I don't have nobody to look on. They come, they always have take their snap and whatever, no one. So tell me, how they expect that murderer to sit down, eating taxpayer money, fat and look good, and me down here stressed out, maga, no one to counsel me, no one to guide me, no one to even talk to me, and I am the one that feeling the pain. I am the one that feeling it. I am the one that going through. You understand? I am the one that feeling the pain and suffering of my daughter and my grandchildren. So why no one is there for me to give me counsel, to give me, and that murderer is getting counsel, is getting all what comfort and whatever. No, it is not fair. It is not right. It is not right in the sight of God. It is not right. And I need justice. I need justice. I need justice.
Can I have the number for you?
842-5043.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, God bless you.
I'll get you one. We're going to step on the push up on them by now next month. And the liar, the wicked, the liar there is like, she had a killer too. Ready? I was watching them.
Go down, the people them down there with the badness of God. You see them?
Yeah, me and him did down there. Oh, yeah, grandma. I want to the boss lady too. Yeah, man, grandma. All right. Don't worry yourself now.
Where's the man? Everything I record with.
Yeah, we're going to turn on the pressure on it.
Happy day.
Yeah, so-
No food. Happy day. But it
You will learn.
Call the phone number.
We're going to watch. Yeah, but we're going to just stand up with our family then first. Of walk to the judge park. All right, thanks. Yes. That's your inspector.
Send somebody to her to assist her with the verification.
You want some water, right?
I didn't do it this morning.
You know what I mean? They're going on talk to you.
Yeah, man. Come on. Oh, God, is that all right? Yeah, man. Most things. That's how they old mama going now.
Today's Kenisha's birthday.
Yeah. Today Kenisha's birthday. Want some spring water. You can get a spring water for me?
Today's
daughter's birthday comes September 13th.
13th.
Yeah, September.
Okay.
Sandy Williams from PDJ. Can I start interview with you? I realize that you're very emotional at this time.
We can get some water there. Get some cold water. Let's get some cardinal and a small bucket.
How do you feel about today's proceedings?
That's good. So, you want to say a word to her? Come on.
I listen.
The lady, Miss Harris, that is on the jet side. I am wondering if she had a child. Yes. I am wondering if she's feeling what I am feeling. You know, to bear a child and lose her.
And you can definitely hear the emotion in her voice. Now, the fact that this individual was only given this amount of years, I will look upon the nature of the crime itself. The fact that Kemisha Wright, along with her 4 children, had their lives taken by their cousin for what he says were disrespectful words. Stating to an individual that him feel like him cousin had take him for a yard boy. And remember, this is an individual who had trouble in his own hometown community. And his cousin said, here we go on, your family, I will give you a place to stay. And this act of kindness was not repaid with betrayal, but actually with violence. This individual actually took the life of his cousin over a few words, stating that him a walk around the community and him feel like people are laugh off him. This is the community, our community that he is not from. Just there stay. Talk to me in the comment section. Subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. Until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.